Sup, y'all? Dominoes Seven here on this Facebook Live. Welcome to my welcome to the Dominoes Seven show here on Facebook. Eventually on YouTube. Okay, so I'm at home after my mama funeral. Yes indeed. Do y'all remember that song? It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I remember that song by Master P of the Last Dying album. It's so hard to say goodbye to my homies. You know, it's hard to say goodbye to my mama. But and 2 years ago it was hard to say goodbye to my grandmother. I'm still thinking about my grandmother till this day. Especially my auntie Winky, aka Gwendolyn. Especially my auntie Linda and who else? Or my mama's godmother Joyce. That's that's my cousin Ryan's grandmother. Okay, so unfortunately Ryan couldn't make it. I don't know why. If he didn't make it, that's all right. You know, but I'm not mad at Ryan. If he couldn't make it, that's all right though. I can't get mad at him. Okay, so all right, I gotta go use the bathroom. Okay. I don't know why I said that, but I shouldn't have said that. I gotta go take a dump. So thank y'all for watching. All right, bye.